Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Vivo V23. And let's start with the first one, which is very useful when you're traveling a lot and you can use Google Translate with Google Assistant. He can translate entire sentences and he will also speak out loud this translation in a different language. Now do it like that. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
Okay, very nice. Next one will be on how to count calories in your food, and you can ask, hey Google, how many calories in the burger?
There are 295 calories in 100 grams of double hamburger.
Okay. Next one will be how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is. You can use Google Assistant and ask the phrase, where are you? Or to play any song, you might as well shout, because that way your phone will hear you and it will start making sound, and that should be easy to find your phone. Let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm stuck inside a device.
Okay. Next one is how to make calls from your contacts, and you can ask Google, hey Google, call my mom.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. Next one will be on how to send messages, and one thing to note here is that you can say what should be included in the message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Okay. What's your mother's name?
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.